First one thing, then another. Cause and effect sequence. Having finished my work, I went out. Having seen the movie, I knew the plot. Having visited Paris, I liked it a lot. Action 1 is finished, complete and done, before action 2 has even begun. Having done, having seen, having been, the sequence of events is clear and clean. Not having heard the news, I was calm. Having been heard, she raised an alarm. Past causality, elegant style, stay with me for a little while. Having lost his wallet, he couldn't pay. Having missed the bus, I was late today. Having been elected, he changed the law. The biggest crowd that you ever saw. Having cooked the dinner, she set the table. A modern twist on an ancient fable. Having done, having seen, having been, the sequence of events is clear and clean. Not having heard the news, I was calm. Having been heard, she raised an alarm. Past causality, elegant style, stay with me for a little while. Acting been fired, he was sad. Having won, she was glad. Having sung this song, I will rest. Having tried my hardest, I did my best. Having sung, having seen, having been, the sequence of events is clear.